Everybody, this is Ms Fran again, and welcome to another class. Today we are going to be chefs. So, can you go and grab the hat that we created the other day? The one that says your name here with paper and tissue paper? Remember? Okay, so today we're going to be chefs. We're going to be an Italian chef, and we're going to be making pizza. So, this pizza is very special because it's tiny. We are going to make it in a bread. So, this bread is kind of round-ish. Looks like an oval though, or a lemon. So, this bread it's called ayuya, and it's flat and roundish, just like big pizzas, but tinier. What we are going to do is that with a knife, we're going to cut it in half. For this step, we need to ask the help of mommy and daddy, okay? So in the end, as we're going to cut it in half, we're going to be able to make two pizzas. For this pizza, I'm going to need ketchup. I'm going to need some cheese. I'm going to need some olives. I'm going to need tomatoes and some ingredients like salt, pepper, and other things to make it more tasty. So, okay. First of all, make sure that your hands are clean. I just washed my hands, you see, clean. And if you haven't done it, go run and come back. Okay, so mom and daddy, please, can you help me here? And we're going to cut. Always be very careful. You see, Ms Fran is growing up, so she can use a knife without help. But we need to always ask for help. So as we cut it open, it's going to look like this. We're going to put one half on a side and we're going to use the other one. We are going to, with a pointless knife, you see, no point, I'm going to take the ketchup and I'm going to put it as a base. I'm going to show you right away. Look. Wow. It's red and it smells like tomatoes. Ketchup. So today I'm not going to be using tomato sauce because for that we need to cook it. Since ketchup we can eat it like this, it's easier and tasty. You see, I put the ketchup all around. Now I'm going to proceed to put some cheese. I'm going to take my bread and I'm going to take some cheese and I'm going to put it on top like this. Can you see me doing it? Okay. Like this. Like this. So what we try to do here is try to give a base on top of the ketchup to try to put it on all over the bread like that. Good job. So can you see it? It's all over it with a nice coat. Okay, now that we are done with the cheese, we're going to proceed with the olives. I am going to take one olive. I bet mommy and daddy can help you. And I'm going to try to slice it. Little slice. And then I'm going to add them here to the pizza. I'm going to slice a second olive. ellipses, like that. Now, what I'm going to do is I'm going to take my pizza and I'm going to start spreading the olives like this, like this, like this, like this. And the last one. Can we count the olives? Yes? Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. Good job. We got 7. And last but not least, I'm going to take my slices of tomato and I'm going to put it on top. You can either put the tomato under the olives or on top. I'm going to put it on top, so when I put it in the oven or the microwave, they are very soft and tender. So since I put all my ingredients, I'm going to proceed with the salt and pepper. If you don't like it, it's okay. You cannot, no need to add it. Like this. And that is it. Look, we made an incredible pizza. We add some cheese, olives, tomatoes, ketchup, very easy. You can add some ham, you can add some salami, pepperoni, all that you want. So now this little pizza will go to the oven or the microwave for 5 minutes, okay? And once it is done, it's going to be cooked, crispy, and ready to eat. So I hope that you like today's recipe. I hope that you enjoy being chefs, and let me know if you want to try something new or different. Maybe we can add some desserts to our recipes, or maybe some food or cakes, as you wish. So I hope that you like it and see you in the next class.